Alright, so this is a double-story townhouse. Let's go over how we can make this layout better from a developer's perspective. Firstly, we don't need this setback here for the garage. So I would move this garage wall to the boundary first. So that would look like this door going outside. Next, I would make the porch here and the front door entry this way. So rather than coming in straight smack into a wall, here into an open space. Imagine this is gone, right? By moving the porch a little bit that way, I've freed up space for a robe. Then I would chuck double doors here, and this would become a bedroom, or still you can use it as a sitting if you want. The powder room I would move here, and I would elongate it a little bit. So I'd have it so you open the door, sinks on one side, toilets on one side. I'd move the walk-in linen somewhere here too. And what we've got basically is we walk in, we've got a nice walkway here. It's open.